So, number 3 review video for the test. Last one. Now this is some serious completing the square magic. So let's start by reordering everything. So get our x's together. We have x squared plus 2x, and then I'm going to leave a gap. And then I'm going to get my minus 9y squared together with my minus 54y. I'll leave a bit of a gap, and I'm going to take this negative 80 to the other side so that it becomes positive. And now I'm going to start completing the square. And the way we complete the square is we take this number here by the x, we half it and square it, so that's plus 1. And then over with this 80, we just unbalance the equation, so we've got to add 1 to it. Before we can start messing around with the y's, we need to factor out that 9. So then that leaves us with y squared minus, well, 54 divided by 9 is 6. That's 6y. And now we're going to half that and square it. So that's going to give us plus 9, yeah. Well, let's think about this. That's negative 9 times 9 is going to be negative 81, which means on this side we have to minus 81, which is going to give us a strange situation like we had in class. So completing the square, this now becomes x plus 1 squared minus 9 times y minus 3 squared equals 80 plus 1 minus 81. I think that's 0. So now that means we can take this over to that side. So let's see what happens when we do that. Basically we're going to get a line instead of a parabola. So we get x plus 1 squared, and that's equals 9 y minus 3 squared. Now I'm going to take the square root of both sides, so that's going to give us x plus 1 equals 3 times y minus 3, or since we took the square root, let's just do a reminder here. When we have y squared equals 16, it's not just y equals 4, is it? It's y equals plus or minus 4. So I also have x plus 1 equals negative 3 times y minus 3. So solving the first equation, we get x plus 1 equals 3y minus 9, and we probably should solve for y here, so that's going to be 3y, and bring the 9 over, so that's x plus 10, and then we divide by 3, and divide by 3, and we get y equals 1/3 x plus 10/3. So that's one of the lines. And then the other side we get x plus 1 equals negative 3y plus 9. Again, we're going to solve for y, so negative 3y equals x. Now we minus 9, so that's going to be minus 8. Then we divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. Our final answer is going to be y equals negative 1/3 x plus 8/3. There we go.